Hi everybody! It's Drake!
Hello, welcome back to Style by Esther. It's Halloween! Woo! So we're going out. TeeLee is here.
Hi.
Pop your hand in.
I don't know if I'm in frame.
There we go. So we're going out to the... What?
Say hey.
You just said hey? Yeah. HalloQueen in the city, and I'm going to do something different. I'm going to be a crystal skull makeup. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but I know it'll look good because it always does. I've got a wig, which is up there, the white one, if you can see it right there. These are probably going to be uploaded after Halloween, so whatever. But BunGirl's here, and we're going to sing a song.
My name's BunGirl.
And my name's Esther.
Here we are,
BunGirl and Esther. Okay, cool.
And T.
And T. And let's get started and whatever, and that's cool. Watch me figure out what I'm doing. As I'm doing it, well, Russell eats pizza. Oh my god, I got it this good.
Maybe it is the regular.
That just looks like
Show us.
dark eyes.
How long?
What?
I was doing an accent.
What accent were you trying to be, honey?
Yeah.
Who were you offending today?
That was the question.
Oh, you fucked up the video!
I fucked up the video. The video stopped, the storage was full, and it stopped before I started doing anything, so
And he's so silly that he didn't check it, because he's stupid!
I was, you know, concentrating on, you know, making things look good. So I've just done my brows with black powder and started my eyes with black. And T's looking like a creepy rapist. Show us.
No, it's a gimp mask.
Or some scuba diver from the 1920s.
It's so scuba diver, I think.
Yeah.
We're gonna need a bigger boat. Bigger butt.
No, what?
Look!
Oh my god. You are the sex cats in hell.
Fuck me! Fuck me!
Is that what you're saying?
take it out and have just one black eye? I'll take it out and I'll try and put it in.
No, you've ruined the makeup now.
Oh, shut up.
And she's like, oh, I know what like a doof is, and I know what poof doof is. So is a bush doof for lesbians?
That makes sense.
What?
Okay, now I need to stick a whole heap of jewels on.
Stick it on your dick.
Should I put glue on my... No, just... Can you get me the katana, honey?
We don't have a fucking katana.
You know, the wax
You got me a
stick.
cheap fucking one.
Jose! Okay, where's the shitty brush that I don't mind destroying?
What does that stand for?
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis.
You think
Aurora Borealis, come down. Come to the floor.
Welcome to the stage. I have a friend.
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora.
Are you using different sizes?
Yeah. Just random and little, yeah. Does it look like I'm not?
Alright.
Does it look bad?
No.
Just to make you
What's the problem?
double guess yourself.
Honey, what's the problem then? Russell! Honey! You're so rude!
Fine, darling.
I don't want to look fine! You always says you look fine, and I'm like, I don't want just fine. I didn't think this would take that long, but you know how you said, oh, it's going to take ages, like, I was like, no, it won't take long, when I'm like, it's actually taking, it's quite tedious, isn't it?
Yeah, it's tedious work.
You need to get a big butt.
Cause your butt not big enough for those tits. Where's my spirit gum? Do you have spirit gum with you?
No.
Well, look at you! Just use some Prozade, I guess. I'm gonna have to put Prozade on the lace anyway, so might as well. Could someone get me some champagne,
No,
please?
get yourself there.
Russell,
That's
go
fucking
get
shit.
Otherwise, I'm gonna get it myself. It's gonna take longer for us to live.
Russell, go get the champagne then.
No, we're gonna go see.
I want to have at least
Me
one
and Tia
drink
gonna
before
go.
I
Bye,
leave.
see ya.
So therefore, you need to get me.
No, honey, that's my champagne. I'm saving
Honey,
it.
saving it for what?
For me. There's a beer. Can you have a beer?
No, I don't want fucking beer. Just get me a champagne.
Have a beer.
I'm gonna get some, honey, because you're being a dick.
I know. You look like shit. Don't. Yeah, fucking beat.
Take his eye out. Do it. Oh, it bounced everywhere.
What did you bring?
Nothing.
Fucking asshole. You say here's the final look. And that's it! It took a bit longer than I thought, as you could see. I sped it up quite a lot. But we're all matchy too. Black and white theme. Oh, you got colours though. Look so cute! Cute little BunGirl. If you'd like to follow us, subscribe to Esther by Esther for more makeup videos and whatever. And if you want to follow us on social media, BunGirl is... Oh, he's not letting us speak. Okay, I get it. Well, you can mime it.
BunGirl.
Either Bling by BunGirl or Lucky Fellow 28.
TeeLee Instant.
Or TeeLee Makeup, which you
TeeLee
don't post
Makeup.
on that often,
No,
but
I don't use that.
TeeLee Instant.
It's dead.
Ah!
Yeah.
And Esther by Esther _, of course. And if you would like to follow my personal account, is Esther Rix and
Break the
BunGirl.
rules.
You spoke!
Bye, gonna poofed off, bye!
And now we're going to the Halloween event and we're really late and we'll maybe probably do a little bit of video when we get back. And we can have drunk BunGirl eating pizza. Okay, thank you, goodbye. Oh, yeah, that is better. Oh, that's better.
Okay, go.
That's the end.
My name's BunGirl.
My name's Esther.
I'm together we are
BunGirl and Esther.
Fuck off.